Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. So guys, today is the third match of the World Cup between Afghanistan and Bangladesh. So we will tell you the batting highlights of Afghanistan. So let's see. The number one, Rahmanullah Gurbaz, 62 balls and 47 runs. Najib Sardan, 25 balls and 22 runs. Or Ahmad Shah, 25 balls and 18 runs. Shahid, 38 balls and 18 runs. Najibul Zardan, 13 balls, 5 runs. Mohammad Nabi, 12 balls, 0 runs, 6 runs. Omar Zaid, 20 balls, 22 runs. Rashid Khan, 16 balls, 9 runs. And Mujibur Rahman, 4 balls, 1 runs. And Naveen-ul Haq, 6 balls, 0 runs. Fazal Haq Farooqi, 3 balls, 0 runs. So Afghanistan gave a target of 156. So now let's see if Bangladesh will fulfill this target. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.